Welcome to episode 1431 of the Multifamily Collective. Today, let's talk about problems. I have shared many times on this podcast that problems many times get solved in the wrong way, meaning the wrong problem gets solved. And many times that is a result of not putting pure definition to an issue before you go about trying to find a solution for the issue. And so, just by way of example, somebody visits a property that doesn't have full context of an issue, and a property manager shares a concern or what we call a rock or a stuck in our organization with an individual that doesn't have a full set of context, and that particular individual doesn't ask enough questions or doesn't take the time to really discern what the issue is in full. And then all of a sudden that person picks up the telephone, or they send an email, or they send a text message, or they send a DM, and they get a whole flurry of activity within an organization, spending sometimes many, many thousands of dollars in terms of payroll, solving an issue that isn't even an issue. It's because in part they don't have context, and in part, in this particular example, property manager doesn't give a full range of the issue or a full definition of the problem. And so my encouragement to you today is always start by putting pure definition to an issue. And if you don't fully understand what is going on, or what if somebody is communicating to you, don't fully understand what they are communicating, pick up the telephone in the moment and get all the constituents that might have touched an issue on the phone or in a room. Doesn't matter, but get everybody who has every perspective in a room to ask all the right questions so you can get a pure definition of an issue. That way you can actually get to the root cause of what is happening, what has happened, or what will happen. And or you discern very quickly that there is not really a problem, or the problem is not uh, of the degree that it has been made out to be. And then take the time to sit down and write out all the solutions. So don't just stop at talking about them, write them all out. Force people to write out all the solutions to an issue. And then everybody collectively decide on what the issue or what the actual solution is, and then assign an owner, and then go about executing on that solution. So if you do those four things: pure definition to issue, get to the root cause, write down all potential solutions, pick a solution, pick an owner, and then go solve problems. You'll save thousands and thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars in time, money, and resource, to include payroll, to get to a solution. Take care. We'll talk to you again soon.